Hello and welcome back to Nisha's art tutorial. Today I'm doing a tutorial on a very special bird named as toucans. Toucans are very bright and colorful birds. I'll start drawing so that you'll know which bird I'm talking about. So for the beginners, so it's their beak or their bills are known to be their special characteristics on their face. They have a very large, you see this? They have a very large beak, but their body is not the same. Their body is small, like this. So do you see this? Yeah, that's how they look like. And there, I'm just gonna show that they are sitting on the branch of tree. So what's the special things about them? Well, their home is in South America, the tropical forest, and these birds are so you see here, this is the work of bird I have done, right? So this bird has a very colorful bill or beak, you can say. So I'm gonna just for kids, whenever you see something colorful you get attracted to it. So my whole idea of doing this tutorial today is to make it so colorful that you feel like drawing it, you feel like doing it, right? So that's the whole idea. So I'm gonna just make some leaves here, right? As you can see, it's quite simple. I'm gonna show a few birds, few leaves on this side as well. Like this. So basically we have this whole feel to it. I'm gonna just start the next step of work. So this is how the bird looks like after the outlining work. So I'm gonna just do the beak part here to show you how it will be, and then I'm gonna just finish the work and show it to you, the end result. So the front part of their beak or the colorful bill is generally black, a very nice shade of black. So as I'm catering this particular tutorial for young kids, so I'm keeping it very demarcated, very defined. But otherwise, if you see, it's not like that. So if you do this work for the elders, it will not be like this. So the whole idea is that you do it for kids. And what else is special about these birds? Okay, their lifespan is almost 20 years, right? They are actually very popular birds because of their long beak, long and colorful beak, I must say. And their beak is actually bigger than their body. So that's another special thing which you must be observing, that the beak is actually bigger than the body. So it has a lot of color here. If you look at the real bird, you'll be amazed. Their beaks are so big. So I have seen that in person. So I was in Jurong Park, and there I saw this toucans, and their way of keeping the birds is beautiful. And I saw this bird sitting next to me. I'm pretty scared. I've already shared that I'm pretty scared of birds and pets and all. and it was kind of a scene to watch, because you know, they were sitting just next very quietly, and suddenly a kid approached and they opened their beak, and I was taken aback. It was such a big beak with so many colors. Oh my god, the colors were pretty much visible, but then I was never knowing that the beak will look like that. So it's kind of a experience in itself. So yeah, if you get a chance to see these birds, must see. They are beautiful, and they are also, I mean, Toucans is their word, so they are called as Toucans. So this is the shade which we got here, and now I'm gonna work here on the lower part of the beak, and this looks like this. And did I tell you the beak, the color of their body is black? Yes, that's black, and this part is green. So they have very much, you know, the sharp colors on their body, and it looks beautiful to look at them, right? So I'm gonna just fill this area with black shade. So this is nice and good. I'm gonna just fill the color in the body and show it to you guys how it looks like as the end result. So this is how a toucan bird looks like. This is mainly a very you know, a simplified version of how they look actually, and I made it especially for all the kids out there who wants to try and do the coloring and make something colorful sitting at home. Utilize your lockdown time, kids. Enjoy it, make maximum out of it. This is one of the tutorial to let you know that yeah, I'm working on some special birds, less known to us. Like for me it is less known. I've seen it, so that's why I know about it, but how many of us are knowing about it? So this is it, and I hope you will like my video and give me a big thumbs up, and you will subscribe to my channel also, and you will if you can share it with your friends further, it will be a big thank you from my side. And yeah, do follow me on my Instagram handle too, and I'll be sharing all the things in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.